Here are some animal encounters lately here in my home forests. The other night on my night walk I met this moose, and I think that she saw me too and heard me because I was talking on the phone, and she looked at my way for a while and then walked away peacefully in the forest, and I let her go first. Then I looked on the internet for the spirit animal meanings of the moose, and if you want to read them, I'll add them here and you can pause the video if you want to read. And this bird has been coming to my window for so many times this spring. It's always the same bird. And a fascinating thing about blue tits I read is that they actually see their own blue color as ultraviolet and find it really attractive on each other.